This is a werewolf that comes out when the full moon comes out. Ooh. Actually, this is a crossbreed between a Papillon and a Maltese. Sort of rat-like. Got fur like a mouse. Got big ears like a rabbit, and he acts like a cat. And he's very super fast. This is what you get right here when you cross those two dogs together. Cute little dog. Say something. Yeah, super dog. Yeah, he kind of reminds you of a deer. So his legs are super long. Look how long his legs are on the side compared to his body. He only weighs a little over 3 pounds. His name is Toby. Yeah, unusual dog. Thought we'd let y'all see him.